The Hinyothrap Youth Council HYC, an NGO campaigning against drug menace in Shillong, has been summoned multiple times by the police. On Monday, HYC Secretary Isaac Basayomoit was summoned at Rinja police station with authorities expressing concerns that the NGO might be overstepping its role. Despite police efforts, the illegal drug trade continues to thrive in the city. Meanwhile, a group of HYC supporters rallied outside the station, chanting slogans along with local residents, mostly women, arrived to express their solidarity with HYC.
Sisa kerikata nakaliang dong noilam dong yulo ong ba sedang syok HYC kakam ban bat ikinong di drugs andalayo bat ke HYC kila sedang manwan pat ban pen I bangingin le ke bedai ban le katkum ka jingtip ka jong I to kasngi li ki klamwan ha chaka kisya lenti kisya I ba ki dekot jong HYC ki bat ikinong di yau drugs kisya kwa ban pen I sya le si sya kita ki kanrak ki jong ki hajrong papet ngila pendep la ka jong ka kamram ban le ka kam tenging so ban penrem yo new SI Tanjan Tushi nu SI badai hang ni balai ai kene ke FIR ban keno ka bomde ye kinoi lam ki jongi ban ikwa ban ong ye uru wat melen ban thok ban lam ler ya ke ga bakhlem le ya ke ga bakhlem ja namar habakut ka sngi hi kan mau ba nakliang jong ka sengru ngimbut din ya ka jing trikam wat jong ki bor pulet ru kan poi ka sngi bangin sap that madan wat ye ki tu ki pulet ki bedon benta kene ka kam khai drak so.